Metal! Hey everybody, it's Todd from Toji Racing. Happy Friday. We got a box from Carrera Slots today. We're really excited about it. I think I know what all's in here, but I don't yet. So let's unbox it. The track's gonna have to change soon, but let's see what we got. I can tell right off the bat, there are my shoulders. I did just slice it open briefly. So we got one box of 230 shoulders, a box of 160 shoulders. Thank you. They're awesome. Carrera Slots is the best. I highly recommend you work with them. All right, let's see what else we got here. All right. 2 1/3 straights. Very nice. Got to have those every now and then. One box of 230 turns. I think there's 2 boxes of these actually. Yep. Another box of 230 turns. Another set of 160 shoulders. Another set of 230 shoulders. And one set of quarters. And then one set of 1/3 straight shoulders. And I think that's all. There's a few more things that I have on order, but they're not here. I'll have to go through this and all that, but that's a nice little haul. Looks like we're going to be changing the track soon. So that's all, just a quick little unbox video. I'm happy I got more shit and we're gonna put it in. So that is all. Todd from Toji Racing out. Race on.